Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix LDPlayer Black Screen Full Guide 2026 so you can quickly solve the black screen problem and run games normally again. First, open LDPlayer and go to Settings. Navigate to the Graphics tab and switch the rendering mode to OpenGL. If the screen is still black, change it to DirectX and restart LDPlayer to test which works better on your PC. Next, adjust resolution settings. Go to Display Settings and set resolution to 1280 by 720. Very high resolution can sometimes cause loading issues and result in a black screen. Now check virtualization. Open Task Manager, go to Performance and make sure virtualization is enabled. If it shows disabled, enable it from BIOS settings for proper emulator performance. After that, update your graphics drivers using NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel software. Outdated drivers are one of the most common causes of black screen issues. Then update LDPlayer to the latest version to fix compatibility bugs and improve stability. Next, clear LDPlayer cache or create a new emulator instance using Multi-Instance Manager if the current instance is corrupted. Also, close unnecessary background applications that may conflict with graphics resources. If the problem still continues, try running LDPlayer as administrator for better system access. Finally, restart your PC and launch LDPlayer again to apply all fixes properly. And that's it. The black screen issue should now be fixed and LDPlayer should load normally. If this tutorial helped you, like the video and subscribe for more PC troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching.